Hello friends, welcome to Sagar Classes. Friends, we have renamed the channel from DC Classes to Sagar Classes. On this YouTube channel, Sagar will tell you about Tally ERP 9, Accounting Class 11th and 12th, Commerce, and MS.Office like MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint. So dear friends and students, if you are interested in learning these subjects, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel and by press the bell icon you will get our latest update. If you want to ask something related to these subjects or have a doubt, then you can comment in YouTube videos and ask. And if you want to get related notes PDF from these subjects, then you can join our WhatsApp group and you can ask your questions here. And you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.